Hello class, and welcome to week 5, Deepen Your Learning. We're focusing on the Big Bang Theory this week. So first, what is the Big Bang Theory? In essence, it's that everything was concentrated at a singular point and then suddenly expanded and has been doing so for the last 13 billion plus years. A somewhat confusing point related to this is the idea of a center of the universe, which there actually is none. We can think of the universe and its expansion like an inflating balloon covered in polka dots. If we have this inflating balloon and you blow into it, all the dots which were once close together will get progressively further apart. Just like all objects in the universe are getting farther and farther away from one another, and there is no central point. Now let's delve into how we got to the Big Bang Theory that we have today with a little bit of theory succession. This is going to feel a lot like our discussion on falsification. We're even going to talk about the same people, starting with Aristotle. So in terms of the origin of the universe, his idea was that the Earth was at the center of the universe. The universe was small, finite, unchanging, and had always been the way that it was. And this was a long-lasting theory. And the person who came in next to disprove this was Copernicus, who used math to disprove these ideas. Copernicus then asserted that the sun was at the center of the universe and determined also that the sun is a star. So he was right on that point, and the distance between stars are really, really huge, and also that Earth orbits the sun. So we improved upon the ideas of the past, but we're still incomplete in terms of the universe. Then Isaac Newton came along, and with the theory of gravity, he proposed that the universe is infinite and eternal, so it doesn't have any kind of edge in space or time. And then later came Einstein and Hubble, who disproved this idea of the universe being infinite in all ways. First, with Einstein's theory of relativity, he indicated that the speed of light is what is unchanging, not space and time. So that shifted the focus away from the edges of the universe and onto a different, very important component. The last really significant step in this idea of a changing universe that is expanding was Edwin Hubble. He made observations using his telescope, many telescopes, that established the idea that there are galaxies beyond our galaxy and that these galaxies are moving and expanding. And this is what really helped to form the initial foundation of the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is the first time in this course where we're encountering a theory where there's conflict with religion in some cases. So some of you might not feel like there is any conflict. If you do feel like there is conflict, or if you know someone who feels like there is conflict, can you identify what the source of that is? And what can you do to help figure out where that conflict is coming from and try to resolve it? I really believe that the information that we have in science is coming from the best efforts of scientists with the best possible equipment and the best possible knowledge that we have right now. I also really believe that Heavenly Father does not want us to be confused and feel like the information that we're getting from our natural environment, whether it's on Earth or beyond, is in conflict from the teachings that He's given us. So I think that He wants us to find that common ground and that connection between the science and the religion. So I hope you will be able to do that as you learn more about this.